Hey guys, welcome back to my head-to-head video. It's been a while since I did a head-to-head video and welcome back. I'm gonna be teaching you how to use the 4-5-1 formation. It's pretty effective, pretty balanced formation, and we are gonna see some matches on the way to FIFA Superstars. So let's start. Before moving on, I just want to say I already made 3 head-to-head videos. So it's based on attacking and defending. I use 4-2-4 formation on one video and 5-2-2 on another video. So both are on the way to top 100 head-to-head. So make sure you guys check that out. And the links are given in the description below. I know it's a pretty costly team to play head-to-head, and the cheapest solutions are given right now. The players I don't replace are the must you should have on your head-to-head team, and that's it. I will see the matches right now, and of course I'm facing a typical 5 at the back cross spammer, and guys, don't hesitate to cross spam back. Remember, it's gonna get you prime icon Gullit. You're gonna need to get to FIFA Masters for getting prime icon, and then just don't hesitate to cross spam back. And if you see, I'm just passing to my free players and Ronaldo is making a run. I'm just passing to him, but it didn't work out. But anyway, let's see how I defend the counter attack. And these lobs are gonna come pretty frequently, and just don't forget to hit the ball with your fullbacks. That ball was to Kaka, but I don't know what happened. Anyway, let's see. And look at these lobs right here. Beckham fell down. I couldn't do anything. I just rushed my JK and just slide tackle. We'll just see the situation again. Right now, Beckham fell down unfortunately. But the thing is, don't panic. Just rush your GK, and slide tackle is important. If you know the player is gonna shoot, just slide tackle. Let's continue. When you run the 4-5-1 formation, it's important to see the left mids and right mids running. I just made a through pass until the yellow power bar. It's important. If you overpower, the ball is gonna go off the line. We just got a lucky corner, and corners, I'll just say how I score corners right now. Whatever may be the situation, I just touch the player that is nearby and backside of the goalkeeper, and I just swipe just before the ball comes to the head, and that's it. Most of the time it goes in, believe me. Let's move on. And left mids, right mids, and left cams, right cams are important for defending too. I'll say in a minute. Right now I'm controlling my foot back, but I'm turning on second defending, which induces my left mid or right mid to track back, and that's how I defend. When they track back, it's not easy for the opponent to get past your full back. And for defending corners, just align your center backs versus their best headers, and you can easily clear the corner. And look here, Messi is way too free. As I said, left mid and right mid are really important in this formation. And use heel to heel, get past center backs. Heel to heel stuns most of the center backs, and just cross and then put in. Just don't hesitate to cross, guys. Remember, I'm saying it again and again. It's gonna get your prime icon Gullit. Just don't hesitate to cross at all. Let's move on. And make sure you see my defending tutorial videos. It's really important. I've mentioned how to defend the kickoff glitch and make interceptions in the midfield. It's really important. And I just tried kickoff glitch, but it didn't work anyway. And look what I'm doing here. I'm just turning on second defending. It's really important. I don't know what happened there. Anyway, let's move on. I'm just passing it to my free players. Look at Ronaldo right there. He made a run. The pass wasn't that good. Anyway. When you see these kind of lobs, you can't do anything actually. I couldn't do anything. The ball went to the leg, but opponent steals the ball. I don't know what to do, and I don't know how did Bailey come up with that shot. And look what I'm doing here. I'm just trying as hard as I can with the leg. The cross comes in, and just pray to God it doesn't go in. Just press the clear button as hard as possible and just pray to God. Most of the time it won't go in. Just pretend that's the case. And I don't know what Gullit was doing right there. I don't know what happened. Seriously, I don't know what happened. Look at Gullit right there. He just washed the ball. It happens, guys. Just don't lose hope on getting to FIFA Masters. Just don't lose hope. That's it. Yeah, I did the kickoff glitch. I did score. And this guy is way too angry on me. This guy used to give a lot of troubles last year when I used to play fair. And I really used to play fair last year. And right now I just changed a lot in my gameplay. And things have changed a lot. And he is looking for the left wing. I'm just shutting down the left wing. Look what I'm doing right there. I'm just shutting down the left wing. We're using Messi. He has no clue. He has to go down the middle. And he's fishing corners right now. Lol. Anyway. Yeah. When you are in the 85th minute and you have no clue what to do, you are afraid how to defend, just do things like this. Just clear the ball just outside the D-box and just waste time as much as possible. And look what I'm doing right now. I'm just cleaning the ball. Time is gone waste and he's angry. Yeah, I'm laughing. Yeah. Cool victory, right? Let's move on to the last match I played onto FIFA Superstars. And guys, I apologize for my voice, my pronunciation and my grammar in English. I'm really poor. I'm sure I'll improve soon. I just feel if I speak, you guys can understand better. That's why I speak. I really apologize for my grammar. Anyway, let's move on. And it's pretty evident that he's gonna use Mane and Gross to Huntala using the formation. Anyway, let's face him. Top 25 POTM, pretty hard. Let's see. Yeah, I'm starting with the kickoff glitch. It didn't quite work. I don't know what Ronaldo was doing. Yeah, I'm just using my second defenders to cover up the space, and it didn't help him out. I'm just shutting down the wing using Messi. I'm using second defender. It's really important you use second defender. And look what I'm doing right there. He can't cross when 3 or 4 players are down the wing, and I'm just counter-attacking right now. Heel to heel didn't stun Opara, unfortunately. And look what I'm doing with my Beckham right there. I'm just running down the wing. I'm just shutting down the wing as much as possible and just put down the middle and you run down the wing as well. That's what I'm doing. My touch didn't work unfortunately. Anyway, it should have been 1-0 right now. Kaka with a massive interception and just running down the wing as much as possible. And that's the first goal. On to FIFA Superstars, goal number 1. And yeah, he's trying to kick off ledge. I know very well how to defend kick off ledge. I've posted in a video as well, so make sure you guys check it out. I made the video this season, how to defend the kick off ledge. It's given in the description below. It's really important, make sure to check it out. And again he's trying. I know very well how to defend it. And I'm running down the wings too. Quite unlucky there. Anyway, that's actually quite lucky. And that's very lucky. Cristiano Ronaldo on to the second goal with the FIFA Superstars. And he's trying it again. I'm not letting him do that. I'm just shutting down the wing as much as possible. And he can't do anything. We have 3 players in the 4-5-1 formation to shut down the wings. So that's why I chose this formation to grind for FIFA Superstars. That's quite unfortunate. And that's very unfortunate. Oh dear. How on the world can Zola head over Virgil van Dijk? Like, come on man, it's like, the game is like that. We can't do anything, just don't lose hope. And yeah, you see the slide tackle, right? I'll replay it for you. And Mane has the lob right now. I pretty much know he's gonna shoot, and I'm just pressing the slide tackle button and he's off. And let's continue. A decent counter attack. I'm just passing it to Mane. He's very that's very poor for me. Yeah, you saw what I did, right? I just run down the wing with Davies, and Mane tracked back and he tackled the ball, and we are ready for a counter attack now. And that's very poor pass from Alphonso Davies, but we got lucky, and Mane with the amazing shot on target. And that's it, we are on to FIFA Superstars, and he's laughing. And I know how painful that is. I've been going through the same luck and unluckiness for a while. I know how unlucky that is and how painful that is. And just don't lose hope, guys. It's really important. Prime icon Gullit is on the way. And look what I did right there. I just shut down the wing group, Roberto Carlos, and Messi is tracking back. Nothing he can do much. Yeah, again. That's the match. We are on to FIFA Superstars. Yeah, a big thumbs down from him, and I'm laughing. That's how you have to play. It's really important to cross versus these cross spammers. For a win, for the coins, for reaching FIFA Superstars, and most importantly, for reaching FIFA Masters. For Gullit, for Prime Icon Gullit. Anyway, let's claim him. We are on to FIFA Superstars. Let's claim that master player, the 95 overall. He's not great, his stats are not great, but for the coins, I hope it's worth it. And that is the video for you guys. I hope you guys understand. I hope you guys get Prime Icon Gullit. And make sure you like the video if you guys understood what I said. and make sure you subscribe for more head-to-head tutorials and more player reviews. Let's sell this 95 overall master right now. It is definitely not worth the gain for 5.8 million coins if you are a pro coin maker. I'm not a pro coin maker, so I'll take it. It's very valuable for me. And that's it. Make sure you subscribe, smash that thumbs up if you guys like the video. I hope you guys spread prime icon Gullit. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.
All of you to stop what you're doing and listen.